What's up, folks? Welcome back to the garage. First, I have to clean here. It's a little bit messy. I have some package to open. There should be a new muffler for the 145. There should be some parts for my 205 GTI. So we have to check if everything alright, what I have ordered. I'm still missing one muffler for the 145. The local dealer, they haven't answered my messages, so I probably have to call there and ask what's going on, because I need one better muffler for the 145 because I can continue that. And there will be nice tractor pulling, or it's actually uphill pulling contest, 9th or 5th of August. So in about 4 weeks there will be a nice event, and I think I will go there. I need a new camera stand. My son will be there maybe as a cameraman. So I need a new stand, and I have to order some new parts. So there's a lot of things to do today, and I will show you the highlights on this video. But next first I will a little bit clean, and after that we will open the boxes. Yes, job done. It's much nicer to be here at the garage now when it's clean. Still have some stuff that I need to figure out how I will store them. I have a lot of boxes, for example, I think there's old for the 145, 142 6 parts in those boxes, but now it's much nicer to work here, and 205 is also in. So here are the two packages. This is from Youngtimers Classic. There should be 205 parts, and this is from Virtasen Kauppa from Finland. There should be this Simon's muffler, but I want to make sure. So next I will put the camera on stand and you will see what we will find from the packages. Just what I needed, and these parts they came from Youngtimers Classic from France, and this set was 173 euros and 50 cents. Well, it's not that cheap, but it should be good quality. There's a lot of hoses. I don't think this is the upper or down hose, and there are quite special hoses also included, so it will be interesting to see if I can find places for all these hoses. I just need to get some new clamps, quality clamps, so I don't ruin this project with the bad clamps. But I'm still missing the pressure reservoir. And I made a small mistake, but I will inform you that what went wrong. Yeah, I did a mistake with that pressure reservoir. When I ordered these hoses, I found original one from different web store, and I ordered that, but I didn't know this delivery date. It was like not December, but like about 2 or 3 months away from today. And but I didn't notice that when I ordered the part, and these parts arrived, and then I was wondering where is the tank, and I went through my emails and I found the confirmation of that order, and then I noticed the delivery date. So I ordered the same part again from Youngtimers Classic. So it's coming, and I think there will be soon video about when I'm changing the new hoses and the tank or reservoir to 205. So small mistake and small delay. Great, just what I ordered also, and this is from the girls from the packing department. They sent me some chocolate, which is very nice, and they are recycling all the cardboard packages, and that was also used one. So that's a very nice thing to do from them. And this is Simon's Big 51, and this will replace the old one which is under the car, and this should cut the higher level of noises, and then there will be a chamber muffler that will deal with the low frequency noise. So that's my plan, and this is a little bit bigger than the previous, or actually the silencer which is under the car at the moment. It's a little bit dark, but it's down there, the old Simons, and this will replace that. And then we will just need to wait a little bit time to get the second muffler that I'm missing still. My old camera stand is very old, and it's even a little bit broken. I just ordered a new one. I will show you what I ordered. I need a new stand because there will be August, September, so next month, 5th of September, there will be a very nice event here in Finland. It's a Sammi tractor hill pulling contest. I went there first time last year, and it was amazing. It's a very small village in the western part of Finland, and there's a very nice hill and a lot of different kind of tractors, and they are pulling the trailer, and they try to be as fast as possible. Maybe you have saw a few my short videos from last year, but my goal is to go there this year again. Probably the main video will be in Finnish, but I try to do also something to this channel also. And now I have idea to do some kind of preview, and I will interview the organizer, and I will try to call a few drivers also, and to get some information beforehand. Probably that will be only in my Finnish channel, but I promise that I will try to do some kind of sum up of that event also to this channel, so you know what's going on here in Finland, in Crazy Finns. But next I will show you the stand, and then I will translate the message I got from the organizer that, well, I know the headline, and I think they are quite positive about my idea, but I will show you a little bit more. I ordered this one. This is a Benro KH25P, and it's from Finnish company. Well, it's not Finnish made, but it should be quite good for the video recording. especially in different kind of events like tractors. Well, it's not, well, I think it's like mid-price or actually quite low price if you compare what prices these are at the moment, those stands. But this should be, I used Chat GPT, so IE helped me again. I compared different kind of stands and this was in the top 3 and I decided to choose this one. So it should arrive, well, quite soon because it's coming from Finnish warehouses, so that's nice. But next I will highlight you the Facebook Messenger message. And there's actually the video from last year of the event. It was like 1 year ago. And I read the message from the organizer. It's a small village, like a village council or yeah, like a village council. And they are quite positive. They even asked that what would I like to know, and I sent them a few questions beforehand. So there will be probably some kind of race preview video coming quite soon, at least in my Finnish channel. I really hope that we will get the new parts as soon as possible, because I would like to finish, first I would like to finish the 205 and go to the MOT with that. It would be nice. Then I would like to, really would like to finish the 145 and also get it through the MOT. Then it would be much more stressful with the cars. And then there will be events and something else will be coming also in the future, but you will see. But hey, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Comments down below, that would be great. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, now it's a perfect time to do that and also ring the bell. Thanks for watching. See you soon.